The markets saw red across Wall Street today, with the Dow finishing down about 2%, S&P's down over 2.5%, Nasdaq down over 3%. Really the big lagger today. Russell down 2.5%. Saw FANGs and energy really hit the hardest. In fact, the four worst performers on the Dow today were all tech stocks: IBM, Intel, Microsoft, Cisco. All of this, even with the good news that we've seen, about the coronavirus and another $500 billion relief plan that is being passed by Congress. Last week, stocks ended with their first back-to-back weekly gains in over 2 months, but between yesterday and today, 2 straight days of very large sell-offs. On the economic front this morning, existing home sales were down 8.5% for March. And remember, this data reflects agreements that were really from January and February, before the coronavirus really took hold and was on, buyers and sellers' radars. So these numbers will most likely get worse before they get better. ES option data yesterday, 388,000 options traded. We're seeing a tick up on the put side now. Recently, we've seen puts only trade about 55, 57% of the time. Yesterday, though, all the way up to 67%. The volume leaders yesterday, the June 2400 puts, 5,300 of those. June 2300 puts, 5,100 of those. Now, one call on the volume leader side. That's the end of week 4. So expiring this week, April 31, 20 calls traded 4,600 times. And then the June 2600 put traded 4,300 times. Volatility, a little bit of a spike up today. ES options pricing in a move to the end of the week, end of the day Friday, of about $95, and going out a week beyond to next Friday, a move of about $150 priced in. Bitcoin, haven't talked about it a lot recently here. It's been flirting with and hovering around that 7,000 level. Bitcoin futures today below that 7,000 level, which is really a psychological number more or less. Really 7,200 is some resistance, but the bears may have hold here for the short run here. Bitcoin future volume today at the CME low volume just below 3,000 contracts on the day.